and welcome class 7 students. Today in this class I am going to start a new chapter, that is factorization, from the algebra part of your second unit test math syllabus. Now this factorization comes right after the chapter formula. The formula chapter has ended up in exercise 14 and today we are starting this new chapter called factorization from exercise 15. Now before starting this chapter, I just want to give you a glimpse of factorization, or what is factorization. Previously in the junior classes we have read about factors and multiples. What are factors and multiples? Let's see. Suppose a number say 12. We take a number that is 12. Now how we obtain 12, or what are the factors of 12? We can write 4 into 3. Or we can write 2 into 2 into 3 equals to 12. So the product 12 is obtained by multiplying 2 and 2 and 3. The product 12 is obtained by multiplying 2 and 2 and 3. So 2 and 2 and 3, 2, 2 and 3 will be considered as the factors of the product 12. So these individual terms, this individual number 2 and 3 and 2 are the factors of 12. So these are the factors and 12 is the product. This we have learned in the junior classes. Now in case of algebraic expression, what happens is, suppose I give an algebraic expression, that is P into Q into R is equal to M. Suppose in this algebraic expression, we can see P multiplied by Q multiplied by R gives rise to a product M. So to get the product M, we have multiplied three things, P, Q and R. So P, Q and R will be individually termed as the factors of M. Will be individually termed as the factors of M. So now we can see what are the factors actually is. Now let's talk about the common factors. Let's take another algebraic expression, that is PQ into QR into QS is equal to M. Suppose this is another algebraic expression where the individual factors are PQ, QR and QS. So PQ, QR and QS are individual factors of M, of the product M. So PQ is one factor, QR is another factor and QS is another individual factor, which are the individual factors of M, which gives rise to M if multiplied with each other. Now in this individual factor we can see the presence of Q in all the factors. Q is present in all the individual factors. As we can see, PQ into QR into QS. So we can see Q is present in all the three factors. Thus we can say, because Q is present in all the three factors, we can say that Q is a common factor. Why it is called common? Because of its presence in all the three factors, Q can be called as a common factor. Q is called a common factor. Among the three factors, Q is present all over. That's why Q is called the common factor. So instead of writing PQ into QR into QS, the next line we can write as Q will be taken out as a common. Then we can, in the bracket we can write P into Q, P into R into S. P into R into S. We can take out Q as a common factor is equal to M. Thus you can see we have taken out Q. Why we have taken out Q? Because Q is a common factor. Q is present in both the three factors. That's why we have taken out Q as a common factor. Thus we can see what is a common factor. Now suppose that we take a number 8 and 24. 8 plus 24. So here we can can see 8 is present, and here we can see 8 into 3 is present, because 8 into 3 are the factors of 24, and here 8 is written. 8 means 8 into 1. So here in these two expressions we can see 8 as common. Thus we can take 8 is a common factor because 8 is present in both the factors. So in that case we can take out 8 as a common factor, and keeping a bracket we can write 1 plus 3. Keeping a bracket we can write 1 plus 3. Why we have taken out 8? Because 8 is a common factor. And what is the significance of this bracket? The significance of this bracket is that when bracket will be removed, 8 will be multiplied with 1 and 3. If bracket is not given, this means that 8 will be multiplied with only 8 will be multiplied with only 1, but this is not the case. The case is that 8 will be multiplied with both 1 and 3. 8 will be multiplied with both 1 and 3. That's why there is a bracket given to signify that 8 is a common factor of 1 and 3. Now 8 plus 24 gives you 32. You can see by writing this step also you can get 32. How? Because 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 gives you 4, and bracket means multiply, so 8 into 4 gives you 32. So instead of writing this step, we can write this step by giving a bracket. I hope with the help of numerical problem you have understood how to take out the common factor. Now suppose I give another number. Before starting off exercise 15, I am just giving you the introductory class so that it is helpful for you to understand what are the common factors. Suppose I take x pq plus m pq in these two algebraic expression. What is common? What is a common factor? We can see x pq means x into pq and m pq means m into pq. So we can see the presence of pq in both the factors. We can see the presence of pq in both this expression. So instead of writing pq in both this expression, we will take out pq as a common factor and keep a bracket. And inside that bracket we will write x, only x, the leftover x, plus only m from this side, x from the first term and m from the second term. We will not write pq as we have taken out pq as a common factor outside the bracket. Though both these lines means the same, but this line will be given to you and you have to write this line. You have to derive this final line from the line given. It means that you have to take out the common factor and write the remaining factors in the bracket. All the sums in exercise 15 consist of these type of sums. Today I have just given you a glimpse of this factorization. In my next class I will come up with variety of sums that is given in exercise 15. And you can know how factorization actually works, how you have to take the common factors outside the bracket, keeping the residual expressions inside the bracket. So till then, goodbye.